Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to hide formulas in Access. So if you click on the cells that have formulas, it will show the formulas right here, just like that. So if you want your cell to not show the formula, then you will need to follow these steps. So first, you will need to make sure you select all of your Excel sheet and now go to Format Cells and unlock this and check this locked option and click on OK. So after that, you will need to select the cells that have formulas. So you can go to Home tab and click on Find and Select in the Editing ribbon. After that, you need to click on Go to Special and check this formulas and click on OK. And it will select all the tabs and it will select all the cells that have the formulas. Now what you will need to do is that you will need to click on the Format in the Cells ribbon in Home tab. Click on Format and click on Format Cells. Check this hidden option and click on OK. After this, you will need to create a password protected. So in order to do that, you will need to go to the Review tab and here you will see the Protect sheet under the Protect ribbon. Click on that and just type a password. Click on OK and again type a password that you entered earlier and click on OK. So after that, you will see that if you click on these cells that have the formulas, won't show the formula at the top in the formula bar. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.